Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's today's video. Please, guys, I'm so sorry for me not showing you my face. Yeah, I'm not feeling well, so I'm just here. So, in today's video, you can see I'm in my dashboard, and here is the app that I'm talking about. And a lot of people will be saying that there is no surveys available in Ghana. Yes, there is no surveys available in Ghana, just like that. And you can see some surveys that they say that they'll pay you like $5, $10, but if you apply for it, they'll say that sorry, you are not eligible for the surveys. But this app is a is an app and also a site. So I'll leave the link in the description if anyone wanted to click on it and cash out the same as I am also cashing out. So it's not been long. You see, I have a lot of surveys here. Like that the- that the surveys can even pay me 5,000 coins. Is in just 2 minutes. Surveys for 600 coins, 450 coins, just for free. And a lot of people will be saying that, how can I get this one? Please click it on the click the link in my description, and definitely it will bring you to your Play Store or Apple Store. Yes, it's available on both Android and Apple Store too. So it's very simple for you to use it. So please, if you are my returning subscriber, please thank you so much for being with me. And if you are new to my channel, too, please stay tuned and thank you for watching. And please here I always give you the gist and the tips on how to make money easily with just your mobile phone. Just your mobile phone. A lot of people will be at home in the name of work and all that, but some of them too they are working, but the payments are not good here in Ghana. So this one is a side hustle, a little bit side hustle that if you can definitely do it, you can cash out more more of it. And you can see that in here you can see the payment proof. People will be saying, please, where's the payment proof? So you show me, is this real or fake? Please, this app is very real. I've withdraw a lot, and if you want me to add the payment of the app to you people, leave it on the comment section. Okay, please pardon me. I'm not feeling that well. Leave it on the comment section so that say that Slowmaker, can you please, I just want you to do a video on the payment. I'll definitely do it for you. Yes, you can see here they say that before you can withdraw $5, you must have thousand. Mm-mm, sorry for that. You must have 1 million coins before you can withdraw your $5. Yes, and also if you want to withdraw 100, like $10, you must to have 2 million coins. So if you want to withdraw $100, it's a much, oh, it's a lot. So yeah, this very me. I always withdraw $5. That's what my strength can definitely do. So I don't know about you. So you, let's see, you can see a lot of here tax here. Is take an online service, watch videos and ads, sell unuseful item online. Like these places are tips and tips on how you can get a simple apps that can pay you real money, and it's very easy. Yes, and also it also has a monetization too. Like you monitor everything that you you definitely in here. Yes, yes. It's very similar and very good too. And here you can see that we have a invite invite friends to on this one. And so the amount of friends that you invite is the amount of coins you also what receive. And here they say that share your referral code with your friends. Your friends sign up and ask them to enter your referral code. Both you and your friends earn 10,000 points instantly. It's very simple. Just for inviting me. For me, I don't like inviting, but they insisted I should invite friends. So that's why I'm doing the video. Yes, I'm doing the video because I cannot hide it for you. A lot of people will say, do this, get money, do that. And that particular apps and all that, they will request for you to purchase and pay. And that particular ones are scams. I'm telling you, they are scams. And here you can see here we are entering into the surveys. You see social as social and stop it social and more, and just 5,000 coins. And let's enter the surveys. So yeah, here let me show you some tricks that will make you in even if you are wrong. Yes, are you surprised? Yes, that's me. I always bring the good gist and tips. Yes, of course. Here you can answer yes or no. I can answer no. Look at this. I can answer never. Look at this. I can answer no. Look at this. Can answer negative and not inappropriate questions and answers. Stop, but they will also what pay me just like that. They are just they are just real, like yes, real. And you can see poor. You see what they will write here. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your survey. Here are your 5,000 points. Yes, take another survey. It's very simple. Even if you are wrong or correct, they'll pay you successful. And that's the tips and tips. So, guys.